Let's use integration by parts to evaluate the integral of x times cosine of 10x. We'll need the following two formulas. The integral of cosine of ax is equal to 1 over a times the sine of ax, and the integral of sine of ax is equal to minus 1 over a times cosine of ax. Now these are both true as long as a is any constant not equal to 0. The integration by parts formula is the integral of u dv is equal to u times v minus the integral of v du. We'll let the integral that we're evaluating be the integral of u dv, and then from there one of the parts of our integral will be u, the other dv. We'll find du, we'll find v, express our integral in terms of the right hand side, and hope that the right hand side can be evaluated easier than our integral. So we'll start again. Here's x times cosine of 10x. This is our integral on the left side of the formula. That's the integral of u dv. Now whenever we have a trigonometric function together with a polynomial, and x is a polynomial, it's like x to the first power, we always let cosine part, the trigonometric part, be represented by dv. So u in this case will be x. dv is going to be cosine of 10x dx. From here it's very easy to find du. du is just 1 times dx. And v, using the formula above, it's just an antiderivative, is going to be 1 over 10 times sine of 10x. Now we have all the four parts that we need, and we're going to evaluate this integral. The integral is actually fairly straightforward. Here is x cosine of 10x. This is our integral u dv. It is equal to u times v, so here's u is x, v is 1/10 sine of 10x. That's 1 over 10 x times the sine of 10x. So let's call this, there's uv, minus the integral of v du. That's just 1 over 10 times the integral of sine of 10x dx. Now look at the integral on the right. This integral, that's the integral of v du. It should be easier. The idea is that it should be easier than the integral on the left. Of course it's easier, much easier, because we can just evaluate it from the formula given above. So now let's put everything together and find the final answer. The integral of x times cosine of 10x is equal to 1 over 10x times sine of 10x, and then the integral of sine of 10x is minus 1/10 cosine. Minus 1/10 along with the minus 1/10 that's here gives us plus 1 divided by 100 times cosine of 10x, and then we can add a constant of integration. There's nothing to simplify. This is the final answer.